Hello everyone, welcome back to our brand new video of our ready to shipment goods. Today we will showcase our branded 1:1 grade check pattern shirts which are available in three brands, which are Ralph, Burberry and Tommy Hilfiger. As we are exporting worldwide, so how our European and USA customers buy from us the product and the quality we are showcasing right now. The customized order product, but we are showcasing that product for our ready for shipment because we have available checks in our. When you DM us on WhatsApp, we will show the designs what you have, and there is a minimum quantity of 200 pieces from our in-house good for the shirt purchasing unit. You can mix all of the brands in a check pattern or the solid pattern and the whatever you want. So let me show you first shirt. That is the packaging. That is in a Tommy Hilfiger brand. You're seeing that thing. All are 1:1 grade. Everything. That packaging, poly packaging, everything. We will showcase one or two designs. Many designs are available in so many brands. We'll see. We will go through one unpacking video also, but these are the packing goods for our customer. That's why we will not go for. We are showcasing the poly packaging. So many variants, so many colors, are available. Let me go through one product, then you will understand the quality which we are talking about in the 1:1 grade. For the shirts, you can avail those check shirts in $6.5 without delivery charges. Delivery charges for USA 12 USD per kgs for the 100 kgs minimum quantity, and for the UK and European shipment is a 10 USD each. Just go through the swings texture. Here is a branding tag. Everything is 100% export quality oriented product. You can see I'm just unpacking one shirts. Accessories, everything is top notch and the premium one. Let me show you the shirt first. You can have a great look. Many of the European buyers like that kind of pattern. Is the classic pattern of the shirt, and you can go through the swing quality, structure, everything is the branding. Buttons, garments buttons are used in there, and so many variants. So these are the in-house ready for shipment products. You can DM us for check out what designs are available for the shipment. So signing off from Everywhere Bangladesh Limited.